Hey everyone, my name is Saurabh, and today in this video, we are going to learn how we can use loops to make our work easy. Basically, I will show you the power of loop where you can use the loops for your practical work in your, when you are learning some project or doing some database work. Like you have to create db.json, like when you collect data for website and to populate it in the website in the development phase. So uh, this is a very pain, okay, when we are doing this, because we have to collect every data and change the image. And what happened in this construct week, basically I was doing a project, and what happened, like I have a data, and in this data you can see these are the images in this json form, okay. uh, Now, what happened in this data? These images are broken. Basically, you can see these are HTTP type. Okay. Now, once you deploy this on a server, it will not going to work because server will support only HTTPS. So what happened? I have to now. I have a problem. Like I have to change this every image. Okay, and these images are separated by comma. Like these are the individual images separated by comma, as you can see. Now I have to change every image for in every JSON document. Now what I can do, I have a simply like I got an idea, like I can simply loop over it, and like I have to what do, like I have to change with these images. Like these are the top images, okay, and these are working images. Now I have to change it. So I'm gonna map every 4 to 3 images like this, by separating it by comma, and to make my work easy. So you can just simply open any javascript id, and let's just put the data first. Like I'm gonna use those images, so I'm gonna put images is equal to this. And once you're done, let's go in the here, and let's copy the whole image first, the images which we are going to use. And let's just paste it. Now we have all the images, and let's just go to the data which we have to replace. So as you can see here, we have a category. This is a short category, and we all want to win top category, okay. So I have to copy this data, so I can simply click here and go to down, and still a top. It's still categories. Put this, okay. We are to come forward. Okay, here we go. This is the data, and we have to copy it. And now we will create one more array, that is data. So I'm going to create data is equal to, and let's paste that. So now we have a data and the image. Now we have to replace these images. So I'm going to write a simple algorithm which will uh, take the images and put inside it. So first of all, let's check that what is our data count and image count. So I'm gonna say console.log. Okay, just wait, let me talk. Console.log. Let's just say this is data, console.log images. Okay, let's run this. Okay, okay, sorry, data or length and data or images. Sorry, images dot length. Now run this. So as you can see, we have a image count is 65, and 16 is the data count. Okay, now we have to map uh, each images in this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply divide it. So let's see what happened. Like I'm going to say console.log images divided by data dot length. So as you can see, it's giving me 4.625. Like we can simply map 4 images at least in every data. Okay, so I'm going to write a simple algorithm here now. So what I'm going to do, first we have to loop over every data. So we have to say data dot let's just map it. Okay, so let new data is equal to data dot map element. And now we're going to take a one variable called x. Let x is equal to 0. What it will do, it will actually give the index of every images. Okay, and I will just like I have to take 4 data out of it. Okay, like 4 images and put in one data. So what I'm going to do, I will say uh, simply element dot image. Like as you can see here, the key name is image. Okay, so what I'm going to say, element dot image is equal to, simply I will say images of x. So images of x will give you the first image. Basically here, this will give you the first image. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply say plus, and I will make put comma because every image is in comma form. Okay, like separated by comma. And now I'm going to say images of x plus 2, not x plus 2, x plus 1, sorry. Then I'm gonna say, okay, just add here plus also, plus. Now again we have to put comma and plus images of x plus 2. Now this will give the another image like after one. And now again we have to just say plus and plus images of x plus 3. Now this will give us a 4 image in every data. Okay, now what I want, once we actually set in the element dot image, we want to increase this to plus 4 extra. Okay, like for 0 plus 4. Now what it will do, it will start from the fourth image. Okay, we have already mapped the mapped to the third image, fourth image. It will start from the fifth image. So we have to just say, like, I have to increase 4 count, so I will say x plus is equal to 4. So as you can see, for the first round I am taking from, this is x, and this is x plus 1, x plus 2, and this is x plus 3. Okay, now four data are mapped in one, and now we have to increase the zero value, x value, to 4. So once I increase the 4, now this will the 4 plus 1 will going to, this will be 5. Okay, 5. Now this will going to be 6. Okay, like this. And again it will, when it will map to the 8, it will again we will again increase the data x to the 4. So again it will start from the ninth one. So this is how it will work. And let's just print the new data now. Once it's done, let's print the new data. So I will just comment these all and come here, console dot log, and I will say new data. Run. Okay. Okay. The thing is, we actually forget to return it. Like we have, it is a map function. It will return something. So we have, once we are done, we have to just say return element. So it will return the element after mapping it, all of the data. Let's just say run. And as you can see, we have successfully mapped 4 images in every document. As you can see, check the last one also. And as you can see here, we have successfully mapped it. So this is how we use loops to perform some operation, and this is a practical work. You got some problem and you want some solution, like how we can do it quickly. So this is how we can do use the loops to make your work easy. So that's it for this video. Thank you, and we will meet in the next video with another topic. And I think the another topic is Cloudnary. I will show you how we can upload your images free like free hosting. Like Cloudnary is a free hosting service for hosting images, and I will show you how you can upload all the images by URL at once. Okay, and also you can get every image you are like I got these all images by just writing some lines like 4 to 5 lines, and I got this all the images link which is posted on my Cloudnary account in a folder. So I will show it to you, and that will make the work easy. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet in the next video.